Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. We all know the feeling of having big dreams and goals, but struggling to stay disciplined and work consistently towards them. Whether it's a lack of motivation, distractions, or simply feeling overwhelmed, it's something we've all experienced. The Islamic tradition offers profound wisdom on how to cultivate self-discipline and achieve our goals. In this video, we'll be exploring some incredible insights from Islamic teachings that can transform the way you approach your goals. Let's dive into secret number 1, intentions, niyyah. In Islam, setting intentions before any task is straightforward. Before you start doing something, take a moment to think about why you're doing it. It's like having a conversation with yourself and saying, I'm doing this for a good reason. Whether it's studying, helping someone, or working, just pause for a moment and remind yourself of your purpose. Muslims often begin many actions by saying Bismillah, which means in the name of Allah. This simple phrase helps in focusing on the right intention. By doing this, you align your actions with positive goals, seeking Allah's blessings and making even the smallest tasks more meaningful. Imagine you're going on a journey. Before you leave, you decide where you want to go and why. Setting intentions is like that decision. It helps you stay focused on your goal and reminds you why it matters. When you set intentions, you're telling yourself, I'm doing this because it brings clarity to your actions and makes them more meaningful. It's like turning on a GPS for your mind, helping you navigate through tasks with a clear destination in mind. So, by setting intentions, you make your actions purposeful and increase the chances of achieving what you set out to do. Secret number 2, consistency in small actions. Consistency in small, manageable actions is like taking steady steps toward your goals every day. It's about doing a little bit regularly rather than trying to do everything all at once. Imagine you have a big puzzle to solve. Instead of trying to put all the pieces together at once, you focus on connecting 1 or 2 pieces each day. In Islam, this concept is embraced through the saying that small, consistent good deeds are more loved by Allah than occasional big ones. Similarly, in our daily lives, doing small things consistently adds up over time, creating positive habits. It's like planting seeds and watering them regularly, knowing that they'll grow into something significant. Islam encourages simple acts of kindness, like smiling at someone or helping your family members, as these small, consistent actions are valued. Remembering Allah throughout the day with short prayers like saying Alhamdulillah, thanks be to Allah, for the good things, is another way to bring consistency into your routine. In Islam, it's about the idea that these small, steady efforts are pleasing to Allah and lead to positive changes over time. So the key is to start small, be patient, and let those consistent actions become a natural part of your daily life. Secret number 3, incorporating salah, prayer. Regular prayer, a fundamental aspect of Islamic practice, plays a crucial role in boosting self-discipline. The act of performing daily prayers provides a structured routine, creating a sense of order in one's day. This regularity instills a habit of consistency, as prayer becomes a fixed point in the daily schedule. Moreover, the act of standing before the Creator in prayer cultivates a sense of accountability, encouraging individuals to stay committed to their goals and responsibilities. The mindfulness and focus required during prayer contribute to increased concentration, which can positively impact other aspects of life, such as work and personal endeavors. In essence, regular prayer in Islam serves as a practical tool for developing self-discipline, instilling a sense of purpose and order that extends beyond the religious context. To make salah a regular part of your day and boost focus and productivity, start by setting specific prayer times that align with your daily routine. Choose moments when you're less likely to be interrupted or rushed, like before heading to work or during a break. Create a dedicated prayer space in your home or workplace, making it easier to prioritize. Use alarms or reminders on your phone to prompt prayer times, helping you stay consistent. Secret number 4, time management, barakah in time. In Islam, time is regarded as a precious and finite resource, emphasizing the importance of effective time management. The concept of barakah in time underscores the idea that seeking blessings in one's time can lead to increased productivity and fulfillment. Muslims are encouraged to organize their daily activities around the 5 daily prayers, creating a structured routine that fosters discipline. By dedicating specific periods to acts of worship, such as reading the Quran and engaging in supplication, individuals can infuse their time with spiritual significance. Islam teaches that intentional and mindful use of time, combined with gratitude for its fleeting nature, can bring about barakah, blessings and divine favor. This perspective encourages believers to approach each moment with a sense of purpose and mindfulness, recognizing the potential for spiritual growth and self-discipline in every passing second. Secret number 5. Embracing patience. In Islam, patience, known as sabr, plays a big role in helping people stay disciplined. It's like having a steady mindset and not giving up easily. When faced with challenges or obstacles, having patience helps you keep going, stay focused, and not get frustrated. It's about understanding that good things take time and difficulties are part of the journey. In terms of self-discipline, patience helps you stick to your goals even when things get tough. Instead of giving in to instant gratification, patience allows you to stay committed to your plans, knowing that the results will come with time. So, in Islam, patience and self-discipline go hand in hand, guiding believers to persevere and work steadily towards their objectives. So, that wraps up our discussion on the Islamic secrets to boost self-discipline. I hope you found these tips helpful in your journey towards self-discipline. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any thoughts or experiences related to self-discipline in Islam, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Until next time, take care. Allah Hafiz.